If you're switching from Android to iPhone and wondering how to move all your data over, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you two easy and free methods to transfer your contacts, photo messages, and more from Android to iPhone. Alright, let's start with the Move to iOS app, which is Apple's official method for transferring data from Android to iPhone. It's super simple and works for most Android devices. First, on your Android phone, open the Google Play Store and search for Move to iOS. Download and install the app. Once it's installed, open the app. You'll be prompted to agree to some terms and conditions. After then, tap Next. Now on your iPhone, during the initial setup, you'll see an option to move data from Android. Select that option. On your Android phone, tap Next. You'll see a code appear on your iPhone. Enter that code on your Android device. Once connected, the app will let you choose which data you want to transfer, like contacts, message history, photos, and more. Select everything you want and hit Next. Depending on how much data you're transferring, that might take a few minutes. The second method is using your Google account. This is a great option if you already sync your data like contacts, calendars, and emails with Google. First, on your Android device, make sure you're signed into Google account and that you've synced your data. To check, go to Settings and then Accounts and Google and make sure things like Contacts, Calendar, and Google Photos are syncing. Now on your new iPhone, go to Settings, then Mail and Accounts and click on Add Account and select Google. Log in with your Google account credentials, and once you're logged in, choose what data you want to sync to your iPhone. And that's it. So those were the two best free methods to transfer your data from Android to iPhone.